Here we are at the parking lot for the shuttle that takes you into the balloon festival. There's just a lot of people. And there's all the buses over there. And here we go. Got another crowd of people heading towards the bus. So hopefully we'll get there sooner or later. Here we are on the way to the balloon festival. Finally made it on a bus. Found a place to get maps, so we know what we do while we're walking around here. Where to go? I'm ready for a turkey leg. There's a big space here with all kinds of stuff going on.
He wanted the pin-down bag.
The balloons.
I don't know. I don't think there's any balloons.
You don't think they have balloons at the Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta?
I'm not convinced.
You're not convinced.
How long have you been here?
Me?
Yeah.
I've been here since 3:30.
Okay, and it's about 6:30.
Yeah, so it says they're supposed to be out here.
How many balloons have you seen in that amount of time?
I haven't seen it. I haven't seen any balloons.
You have not? No balloons at all?
No.
Oh, jeez. So the reason there aren't any balloons is because that yellow flag is out. When that flag turns green, then they'll launch the balloons.